Command term sketch means a rough drawing, not precise. Keywords here are titration curve, ethanoic acid, and 0.1 mole decimeter minus 3 sodium hydroxide. The concept of titration curve is the same whether you mix an acid with a base or a base with an acid. Essentially, the unknown acid or base is in a flask. This is called the titrate. Now you then drip the standard solution from the burette into the flask. The solution in the burette is called the titrant. The x-axis shows the progression of the titration. It can be time or volume of the titrant. The y-axis shows the pH of the mixed solution. To draw a titration curve, first you must determine the pH of the titrate. That's the starting pH. For example, if your pH is NaOH, the starting pH is high, say pH of 13. Second, you must find the pH of the titrant. This is the pH of the end when you have excess amount of titrant. Example, your titrant is a strong acid of pH 1. Third, you decide the neutralization point. This is usually just the middle point. So in our example, middle between 13 and 1 is 13 minus 1 divided by 2, then add 1. So that's equal 7. Finally, just connect the 3 points with a funny curve like this, and you're done. Back to our question. First, draw and label the axis. The titrate is ethanoic acid, a weak acid, so roughly it'd be pH around 3 to 4. Let's pick 3. Second, the titrant is 0.1 mole decimeter minus 3 sodium hydroxide, NaOH, so pH of 13. The neutralization point is in the middle, so 13 plus 3 divided by 2, that's 8. Now draw the straight line around the neutralization points and then curve at both ends like so.